Hey guys, today we are going to discuss about the Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR. The ICAR is an autonomous organization under the Department of Agricultural Research and Education, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Formerly known as Imperial Council of Agricultural Research, it was established in 1929 in pursuance of the report of the Royal Commission on Agriculture. The ICAR has its headquarters at New Delhi. The Council is the apex body for coordinating, guiding, and managing research and education in agriculture, including horticulture, fisheries, and animal sciences in the entire country. With 101 ICAR institutes and 71 agricultural universities spread across the country, this is one of the largest national agricultural systems in the world. The ICAR has played a pioneering role in ushering green revolution and subsequent developments in agriculture in India. Through its research and technology development that has enabled the country to increase the production of food grains by 5.6 times, horticulture crops by 10.5 times, fish by 16.8 times, milk by 10.4 times, and eggs by 52.9 times. It has played a major role in promoting excellence in higher education in agriculture. It is engaged in cutting edge areas of science and technology development, and its scientists are internationally acknowledged in their fields. The ICAR mandate is to plan, undertake, coordinate, and promote research and technology development for sustainable agriculture, aid, impart, and coordinate agricultural education to enable quality human resource development, frontline extension for technology, application, adoption, knowledge management, and capacity development for agri-based rural development, policy, cooperation, and consultancy in agricultural research, education, and extension. Union Minister of Agriculture is the ex officio president of the ICAR Society. The governing body is the policy making authority. Now let's discuss a few milestones achieved by the ICAR. Initiation of the first All India Coordinated Research Project on maize in 1957. Status of deemed university accorded to IARI in 1958. Establishment of the first state agricultural university on land grant pattern at Pantnagar in 1960. Placement of different agricultural research institutes under the purview of ICAR in 1966. Creation of Department of Agricultural Research and Education DARE in the Ministry of Agriculture in 1973. Opening of first Krishi Vigyan Kendra at Puducherry in 1974. Establishment of Agricultural Research Service and Agricultural Scientist Recruitment Board in 1975. Launching of Lab to Land program and the National Agricultural Research Project in 1979. The initiation of Institution Village Linkage Program in 1995. Establishment of National Gene Bank at New Delhi in 1996. The ICAR was restored with the King Baudouin Award in 1989 for its valuable contribution in ushering the Green Revolution. Again awarded in 2004 for research and development efforts made under partnership in Rice Wheat Consortium. Launching of National Agricultural Technology Project in 1998 and National Agricultural Innovation Project in 2005. This concludes our video. Please like, comment and share the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.